Just a little.
Well done.
I'm cutting Alex's fingernails.
Okay, guys.
Bago, new haircut, guys.
New haircut, guys.
Wow. New haircut!
Oh!
Nail cut is done. Nire-recommend pala doon guys kapag mag-cut kayo ng nails after bath or shower kasi yung mga nails natin is soft for the kids. Okay. They are ready but the lunch box is not yet ready. We're gonna prepare the lunch box. Ay, medicine for today. Kids are ready. Axel, did you drink your water? Lunch bag is ready, guys. Fruits for today. Apple. Extra goldfish. Hindi sila nagdadala ng juice. Ayaw ni Alex ng juice. Well, sometimes, lagi naman niyang binabalik. Mostly is binabalik niya yung juice. Water lang yan sila. All good! Today is my off day. Kaya relax tayo today kasi wala akong pasok. You're looking for the snacks. It's for school, buddy. Oh, you want to drink water? Go ahead. Be careful. And later, guys, since today is Monday, magpo-pool kami today. Mga open yung pool is doon kami sa malaki. So, Axel! 4:30. Si Axel, oh, may blanket pa yan. Give me back the water bottle. Mama gonna refill it. Done? All done? Give it back. And let's go wait outside na. The water bottle na Axel is good, no? Nauminom si Axel. Not that much, but... Yung water bottle nila malaki, pero hindi ko rin to pinupuno, guys, kasi bumabalik na naman ito. 1/4 lang yung makuha, so... And also, it's winter, so... Mga bata, no? Hindi talaga sila thirsty na thirsty. Like summer, no? Okay. Backpack is ready. Hey, buddy. We are waiting for the school service, guys. We are early today. We are 5 minutes early. Very good. Not in a hurry. Come, buddy buds. Come here, buddy. Come. Oh, wait. Put the cream on the face. The face needs cream.
This one, Mushipiti.
I'm gonna slap some cream on the hands. Cream, 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 cream.
Swimming!
Swimming, swimming in the swimming pool. Days are hot and days are cold in the swimming. Ah, you're going to swim later. Swimming, swimming in the swimming pool. Days are hot and days are cold in the swimming pool. I'm gonna swim later. Go to school first. Come, Alex, your turn. Come here. Come, it's so dry. Bien ici.
Oh! Give it.
Ayaw ni Alex to ginaganon ko sa lips
Leave
niya.
it. Leave it back.
Leave it back. Come here, come. More. Oh yeah, leave it here. Advance. Oh, your
This
nose.
is mine.
Oh, it's not yours. Attention, excuse me. That's for Mom. Be nice to your brother. Come on. Clean your nose. Agoy na mintana atong cogs. The cog no is na mintana. Hala. New haircut.
No haircut.
Yes. Take clean your nose. Ew.
Yo!
Ew. Axel!
Oh, you don't have your boots yet. That's for daddy's shoes. Come on, buddy. Where's your pants? Yours no boots. You see? Put it on. New haircut. Chika 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 chika. New haircut. Chika 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 chika.
Other one. Come on. Good.
What, Papa?
Giding, giding, giding. Magbihis ako guys para mag-gym. Wala pa si Mister. Sabi ni Mister alas 12 daw. Matapos yung appointment niya. Nandito na yung aking ka-outfitan sa gym. Mapapansin nyo pala guys no na bakit ako laging naka-hoodie sa gym. Supposed to be. Hindi siya hoodie. Meron po akong anong tawag dito? Sports bra na kung papawisin talaga ako, tatanggalin ko yung hoodie. And then, yung practical na talaga, na literal na talaga na sports bra yung aking gagamitin. Nag-laundry na pala ako guys. Ang dami ko nang na-put away na laundry. Puno na po yung socks ko. So, kailangan ko ng another container here na ilalagay ko siya here. Yung dito lang. Ito, ilagay ko lang to sa kay Axel na side. Speaking of declutter. Dito tayo sa kay Axel. Marami na akong i-declutter guys. Yung ito o lahat. Yung maliit siya. Size 8. Parang small na to kay Alex na size 8. Size 8 na pala ito. Baka sa kanya to. Wala siyang jeans na kung ilagay ito kay Axel. Ito dito guys, yung mga ano to. Mga di-declutter ko. Sa summer, it's very nice. Itong pants na to is polo to siya guys. Ang ganda pa niya talaga. But this is size 6. Ganda ng quality. Saan ko ba ito nabili? Ito din Kaya lang, magreklamo man yung teacher doon na pasuot ng mga ganito na, ano na ba, dapat hanggang dito talaga, yung matangkad talaga, natubuan na ba. So, magreklamo yung teacher, lalo na ngayon pag cold, the weather is cold, dapat talaga is, yung pasuot daw is yung correct size. Hindi na to masuot ni Axel kasi correct size na, mag-email yan doon. Na put the right size. Ito yung naka-ready na yung susuotin namin sa pool. It's Monday and it's a pool day. Ready na guys. Kakarating lang ni Mr. guys. Wala na akong time mag-gym. Pupunta na lang ako ng Winners. Nagpalit pa naman ako ng shoe pang gym. Kasi bibili ako ng container para sa aking mga socks. And mag-swimming kami mamaya. Hala, mali pala si Tej. Big and small. Palitan ko lang. And here, let's go to Winners. Yung Winners is nasa ano lang siguro, 5 minutes drive. Malapit lang dito sa amin. Let's go. Para kuha ng container. Parang ang lapit ng Nissan, mapunggitan ko ata yan. Parking ng ano guys, HomeSense Winners. Not that cold today. Negative ano lang siya today. Negative 1. I'm here. Lalakad ako paloob guys. Sesame. Welcome to Winners. Ooh. $39. Puting-puti naman. Maganda to sa ano. 3 pieces pala ito. May table kasama. Ay, ganda ng sofa nila. Hanap tayo ng ano, bedside table. Kasi yung sa kay Alex na galing IKEA, naguba na guys. Very cute. Wow. Hello. 1,299. Sira na din yung ano namin. Ang cute niya. May katerno pang ganito. Ano sa pala terno? Cute siya guys. Looking around. Uy, maganda to. Para sa basement. $499. Kasi pwede mo siyang ano, storage din, gawing storage. Dito ba nabubuksan? Lagyan ng TV. $499. Modern look. Ito po yung pinunta ko dito guys. Mga ratan. Ang dami niya. We'll see kung ano yung maganda. Dito may pa drawer pa. Storage na storage ang dating. Wala siyang cover, no? Kaya lang walang cover. Hindi siguro pang may cover. Open lang naman talaga to. Basket store. Tapon-tapon na lang. Magkano ba itong isa nito? Oh, hello! Yeah, sorry. Hindi na, pag ganito kasi shoot na lang. Uy, hala, Philippines. Kunin na natin to kasi made in the Philippines. Dalawa lang siguro. May Pilipinas pa talaga. Dala ko po yung ratan ng Pilipinas, guys. Yung mga ratan ko pala, nandito na ako sa sasakyan. Yung mga ratan na nakuha ko is, ano siyang tawag dito eh? Philippines and Indonesia. Mahal yung sa Pinas. Supposed to be 3 sana yun, kaya lang mahal yung sa Pinas na isa kasi Philippines pa naman. Original yun. Uwi lang tayo ng bahay kasi soon, darating na yung mga bata. Soon! Time check. 3:29 na. Nasa bahay na ako, guys. Na-stress ako kaunti. Kasi, inanap ko yung wallet ko. Hindi ko mahanap kung nasaan yung wallet ko. Nung nagbayad na ako nito, wala yung wallet ko sa bag. So, okay, where's the money? Where's the wallet? Ito yung wallet na hinahanap ko. Okay, first time ko. Saan ba yung bag ko? Dala-dala ko kasi ito. Itong belt bag. Laging nandito yung card holder ko ng na wallet na may lisensya. Hindi ko mahanap. Tumawag ako doon sa hotel. Tumawag talaga ako. Ito. Mahanap. Kahapon, nagbayad ako ng pizza. Sabi ko, bakit wala? Nasaan? Baka naiwan ko doon sa hotel. Tumawag ako. Tapos nakita ko doon sa isang jacket ko lang pala. Stress ako. Ito pala yung mga napamili ko, guys, na mga storage. Sabi pa doon, baka nahulog ko daw doon sa Winners. Paging. Ito. Tingnan mo. Tatlo siya. Meron ako nito maliit. Plano ko ilagay doon sa, ano to siya, Indonesia. Plano ko nito ilagay doon sa washroom ng mga bata, sa banyo, guys. Doon sa mga bata. Itong tatlo, hindi ko pa siya ma-arrange na. Plano ko nito is ilagay doon sa basement para sa mga laruan. We'll see kung saan maganda. Pero hindi pa natin yung ma-arrange kasi mag-swimming kami ngayon. Ito, Philippines! Dalawa lang yung kinuha ko kasi yung isa is $50. Mahal siya, guys. Dalawa lang yung kinuha ko na abaka. Abaka ba ito? Let's read the description. A small archipelago located in Southeast Asia. Ang sinabi, made in the Philippines lang, made by hand. Mo ang bukag, naabot na sa Canada. Nice. Okay. Ang bayong, guys, abot na sa Canada. The only thing na hindi maganda nito is ano lang, yung sa floor, oh. It's okay. It's good. Ito na yung mga kids, guys. Yeah.
We're going to swimming. You need
Easy. March 2. I was married.
Let's be.
It's for mom. Okay.
Let's go.
Where you want to go eat snacks and then we go for swimming?
Swimming in the swimming pool. Days are hot and days are cold in the swimming pool. Breaststroke, side stroke, and fancy diving too. Oh, don't you wish you have nothing else to do but swimming?
Lang, don't forget the t-shirt lang. Yeah. Asin! AC! Ay, nako. Ipanghang ko muna yung mga ano namin, guys. Ipanghang ko muna itong mga ang tawag dito eh. Ay, ito need namin to ngayon. This one, hindi. Alex, miwiton gans lang, you dry here. Basang-basa yung ano ni Alex. Oh, it's very wet. Dito ako guys, naghang ako sa mga jacket. Yeah, yung jacket, I don't need to hang the jacket here because gamitin na namin yung jacket. Alis kami para mag-swimming. So, dyan na yung jacket. And, yes. The backpacks are here. Who is holding the key? Axel, where are you going? Axel! Where do you want? You want to eat McDonald's or Chick-fil-A?
I need.
What you need, Alex?
I need.
Is it your bag?
Yes. Make snack, mommy, please.
Now? We are going to go swim. Plano ko nito is dyan. Lahat ng mga socks ko dyan. Ay, kailangan ko pala ng another one, guys. Magsuot na ako ng swimsuit, guys. Excel ko. Pero yung sweater ko, ilalagay ko yung sweater ko kasi magdadrive ako. Isuot ko tong swimsuit inside para hindi na ako mahirapan pagdating doon, guys. Na mag-change pa ito. Naka-swimsuit na. Tanggalin na lang to. And diretso na ka. Windy! Woo! Negative. Ano bang negative today plus wind? Alex! Lamig talaga. Nandito kami. Punta kami sa pool. Sa public pool. Lalakad ko. Doon na si Alex. Oh. Alex, put your hoodie please. It's cold. The head. Lamig. Kita niyo yung flag dyan, oh. Gaano yan kabilis yung flag dyan. Because it's cold. Si Alex, nandun na si Alex. Nandun na sa entrance door. Go, run. Takbo. Run. Ito yung hitsura ng pool, guys. Diyan kami, and then meron din doon. Oh. May diving pa doon. Let's go. Go down first. Bababa lang kami kasi nandoon yung information. Itatap namin yung aming library card and then free na. Pero pag wala kang library card, $5 entrance. So, meron ding locker dito. Wait.
Wait, so knife?
Knife is here. Wait, that one or this one?
This is yeah.
Oh, guys, put your boots here.
No, it's back.
So, come on, buddy.
Oh.
Nag-drive to kami ng McDonald's, guys. And tapos na kaming nag-swimming. We are in the car now. Waiting for our order. And also, nag-drive-thru din kami ng Tim Hortons. We have the Timbits birthday cake. Si Alex yan, nag-dessert na. Request man niya yung Timbits. No, 10 nuggets I think. And much chicken. 10 nuggets with a large fries. Yeah. How much do I pay? Is 27, right? He charged me around that. 27. I think it's mine. Oh, it's
forward. I was taking the order, which is not mine, but it's okay. Nobody wants to see us together. 'Cause I got you. Here, Mama is just looking for parking. Are here na sa parking, guys. We're just going to eat. I'm gonna remove my shoes. Okay. Pass the nuggets and pass the fries. There you go. Large fries. Nag-order pala ako ng pagkain ko today, guys. Hindi ako nag-cheat. 10? Yeah, it was. Yung binigay niya, wait. Yung binigay niya is only 6 nuggets. Kaya, nagtanong ako, is it the $27 one? Kasi 27 kasi yung nabayaran ko. Hindi daw sa amin. Okay, here you go, guys. Oh, there you go. Pass the nuggets and the french fries. That's it. Bon appetit. Nag-order ako ng ating burger. Makule. I want some tissue. Yeah. Tissue. Oh. Ano? Buti na lang. Very good ang nanay niyo. Madala akong tubig. Kain po tayo, guys, ng McDonald's. Kape. Si Mr. hindi ko inorderan kasi tulog pa siya. 6:46 ngayon. Gising siya alas 9 pa, so wala na. Oh, boy.
Mama, please, mommy.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yow. Can you give Mama one nugget, please? Nugget. Give to Mama. Yes, please. Tinuslo pa niya sa barbecue sauce. All good? Huh? That's good. Guys are eating. Bon appetit! Picture dali! Hi! Nasa bahay na kami, guys. Charge ko lang yung aking battery.
Nasirado yung mga bintana namin, guys. Close ko lang.
Did you change?
Yeah.
Oh, say good night to the guys.
Good night to the guys.
Good night. Magtapon ako ng basura, guys. Kasi yung McDonald's namin, ayokong i-ano dito. Tapon ko lang sa kalsada. Magtapon. Hiramin natin yung boots ni Alex. Okay, Alex. Lalabas lang ako. Negative. Or weather check. Tatakbo lang tayo. Doon na sa kalsada, guys. Sama kayo. Nilagay na ni Mr. doon sa kalsada. Slippery, guys, no? Kanina negative 1 tapos biglang feels like negative 9 na. Ano yung slippery. Buhusan natin ng asin. Tapunan ko lang ng asin. Slippery yung daan. Madulas doon. Yung pagka-ice niya talaga, guys, is parang crystal talaga. Kasi nga, negative 1 tapos natuna yung snow ba? Some of it. Kasi sunny din. Sunny na hindi malamig.